Hello, and thank you for tuning into this video. My name is Abdiwali Mohamed, and I'm a CPA, Certified Public Accountant, and a Master's of Science Federal Taxation holder based in Seattle, Washington. You are most likely here because the subject of this video might be an interest to you. I have been an accountant and a CPA for the last 18 years and counting. I meet many individual and business owners who want to take care of their personal financial needs, including their individual taxes, and business owners who want to start a new business. Majority of them have the same questions. What's an LLC? What's an S Corp? Which entity is better? What method is the best way to save or minimize taxes? In reality, these are questions that experts in the field of accounting or taxation can answer. As a business owner or a new business owner to be with fewer than 500 employees, you are America's engine when it comes to America's economy. According to the SBA, the Small Business Administration, 99.9% of all US businesses are businesses with 500 employees or less. In the interest of time, we have divided this video into parts. There will be 6 parts, and each part will be about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the materials we're about to cover. The following are the parts. Part 1, understanding forms of business organizations. That's like LLC, S Corp, partnership, sole proprietor, C Corps. Part 2, understanding classes of accounts. For example, revenue versus expenses. Part 3, understanding financial statements, profit and loss, balance sheets. How do you want to prepare your taxes? What type of documents to submit to the bank if you want to get a loan? Part 4, understanding GAAP. Part 5, understanding accounting and or financial systems. Part 6, understanding who's an employee or who's a contractor. This is really an important part, and I'm hoping that small business owners or new business owners will listen this very carefully, because there are consequences for misclassifying an employee. And finally, an advice from a CPA who has been doing this work for 18 plus years.